Alright guys, the Corvette is here. This is gonna be a challenge. I don't know how they stuck it in here, but we're gonna have to figure something out. Let's see. Just what we were hoping for. We got Peter with the forklift. The guys at the auction, they loaded it up. They have really long forks, so they just stuck it in there. So now this is gonna pose a challenge. Look at that. It's been pulling out some Fords. So let's try this. First attempt. It's off. It's off. Yeah. Precision, boys. All right, guys, got this baby loaded up. Gotta go eat and then head back to the shop, unload this thing so we can assess the damage. All right guys, we're back at the shop. So we gotta pull this beast out, pull it out. Garage queen gotta come out and pull that baby in. Okay, so the car's in, but we got the little challenge of how to pull it off. There's a wall here, but I got nothing to anchor it down to pull it off. So here's the plan. We're gonna move my little wagon, put my work van, open up this door, strap that Corvette down, and while it's strapped down to the van, we're gonna drive that trailer out. But first things first, we gotta throw this thing into neutral. So there's not like a manual switch, so we might have to take all this apart. Okay, so we're ready, almost. It's hooked up. All right, go. Guys, worked a lot better than I thought it would. It was kind of sketchy, but turned out to be pretty sweet. So
sketchy.
Yeah, so the whole, look at that, straps and everything worked. So we got to throw it on some jacks, lift it up, and then get some taken apart. I don't know if we're gonna take it apart today, but let's lift it. Peter, let us know. What do we got going on here?
All right, so this is a 2011 Corvette Grand Sport. It's the LS3. It's the wide body. I mean, I'm sure all you guys know what a Grand Sport is, but As you guys can see, it's damaged. From what I can see right now, obviously it's gonna need a front bumper, new hood, and then as we go
Most
around,
important, guys, this is bad. We're gonna need a new badge. Look how ugly that is. All right, let's go.
That is the most important piece to the car. So besides the bumper, the hood, the inner fender got torn off. Suspension. So you know, wheels completely missing.
It's supposed to be about right there.
Yeah.
About
So it's
right
the only
there.
piece we were able to find to the wheel.
Yeah, we'll try to salvage that. We'll see.
I hope not. But yeah, new inner fender. Obviously, we're gonna need a new fender. Battery. The wheel looks like it smashed the battery compartment over here, so that all kind of got messed up. Then I think this is the ECU. This was out. It doesn't start right now. Nothing is happening. We don't know the miles on it. We don't know if it runs. The fuse box right here. This is all busted. As you can see, all these are
the relays.
Yeah, all this is falling out. And then a few plastics crushed right here. Now I specifically looked for suspension damage, so there's no direct impact to the frame, but it did clip it right here a little bit. So hopefully nothing major. We are gonna pull the body panels off and measure it out, see if the frame went any. If something, get a pro frame guy come out and check it out. If needed, it will be put on the frame machine. So for those of you guys who are looking for projects like these, you definitely have to be careful, because very easily a frame can be bent that you can't see, and then you're in for a treat. I feel like we got lucky with this one. So the whole point of this project is so you guys can follow along with us, and it's to show you guys that if somebody else can do it, we can do it. If we can do it, you can do it. And if you can do it, we can help.
All right, guys, but that is the mentality that we were raised with. All you gotta do is get some knowledge. Get some knowledge. We are here in the garage with the Corvette. You know what I'm really proud of? My glass shelves. I am actually proud of those. But we are getting this project rolling, so in the next few days we'll be tearing it apart. We gotta look what kind of parts we gotta order. So guys, watch out for that video, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss it. And also let us know what you guys think. We're thinking to modify the car. We're thinking maybe to change the color, maybe do some other type of mods. Let us know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next one.